Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys a Python program, my first Python program, that I use to do some automatic trading on the Nasdaq with the aim to gain some passive income for me and anyone else who wants to join. And in a daily report, I show you guys what is happening on the market and how we do with the bot. And today it's Friday. It's the last day of the week, so we also combine it with how did we do it in the entire week. So let's see how we did today. Well, not good. We did not do good today. And it has nothing to do with the market or to do with that the bot did not do good work. The bot did not work at all. Yeah. For the guys who are following the channel, know that we had a problem. And if you don't know, just look back to the video of yesterday. We had a problem with the ATR, and the problem I detected yesterday was brought back all the way up to the API of the broker. And I was trying today to get this fixed. And if we're gonna look at the code, then you can see that I'm within the function that's called calculate ATR, and I tried to do some things into it today. And what I did is to calculate separately from the ATR the TR, the true rate, using the high, low, close, and previous close values to calculate a separate TR, a true rate, for the ATR. But this was not the solution to the problem, because for calculating the TR pro candle, but that's the problem we have. We don't have a TR pro candle. We still need the high and the low from the API. And what I was looking for, and I restarted the bot several times, and if you look down in the bottom half of the code editor, you see that the market status tradable net change, if I look at this one, now we take the ones up there, we see that the market status, where it is, uptime, delay time, the bid price differs, the offers price differs, but the high and the low don't. So I was thinking I calculate the new closing and used it, but the previous close is not the high of the new candle. And that was what I tried yesterday in the time that we had between the market hours. And I tested it today during the day and reset it several times, and then I found out it has no use. The reply of the service desk yesterday, after I waited more than 2 hours for a reply, was there is nothing wrong with the API. And I thought, nice, but I have this problem. So I answered them and say, yeah, but the highs and the lows don't differ with the new candle each time. And again, no answer from the service desk until, till now. I still don't have a reply from the service desk on my request, as in I have a problem with this high and low. So this was it for today, and I will see tomorrow in the weekend if I can find somewhere a different solution to get to an ATR. And if this isn't a solution, then I will have to chat with ChatGPT to find a different solution for our slow market counter. That's what we did, and it worked fine for the last couple of weeks that we tested it. But now it is not good enough. So we're back to a couple of weeks ago to find out a nice way to check if there is a slow market, a normal market, or a highly volatile market. And that I will do in the weekend, and that's tomorrow. And then I will try to find a different solution, because ATR does not work when we look every 3 minutes for a candle. And that's what I have to report for today. And how I'm gonna fix it, you will see it in the report for you guys on Tuesday, but I will report about it on Monday. And if you want to follow this progress of this bot, then it's good that you subscribe, and like is also very appreciated, because it helps the algorithm to show other people that this is a good channel. And if you want to see if the bot actually works, you can do this on Monday with the Twitch stream. Then I will start the Twitch stream at something late, and then you can see if the bot works. And if not, then you can follow by Twitch what I'm doing in the code, because that is also live presented in the Twitch. So follow the Twitch, and all this you can find in the description. Do you have suggestions? Great. Leave a comment or visit me at the Discord server at the community and ask me the questions about the bot, or give me advice about how I could solve this problem too. And then we will meet there. And for the rest, I have to say, like the video and have a little fun every day, and have a nice weekend.